Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin Cash. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Bitcoin Cash broke out a down channel on the daily time frame chart, and after that, it also broke out an inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. And this was my last video that I shared a few hours ago with you. And now if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout, the price is rejected by this long-term resistance of $450. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Bitcoin Cash that I shared a few days ago on 18th of July 2024 with my members, and this move produced almost 11% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Bitcoin Cash that I shared a few days ago on 18th of July 2024. And this is a harmonic bullish reversal shark pattern that Bitcoin Cash was completing on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup. This was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line dropped down, completed the leg, and entered the buying zone. Then we had a very nice reversal, and this was almost 11% pump on this 2-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis, and I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of Bitcoin Cash. And this is the daily time frame chart, and you can see that for the past several days, it was moving inside this down channel. And before the breakout, the price line also formed this inverse head and shoulder pattern, this one. And I was telling you this can be a quite clear indication that soon the price line can now break out the resistance on the channel, because this is the formation of a bullish path move that is an inverse head and shoulder pattern. And finally, you can see that the price line has broken out the channel, and after that, it also broke out the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. And now if we take a look at the target for this breakout from this inverse head and shoulder pattern, that technical target is here. That is approximately at $550. And in that situation, the price can also break out this long-term resistance of $450 as well. And the technical target for the breakout from the channel is here at the top of the channel, approximately at $700. And over there, we have a quite long-term resistance on from $700 to $800 that has been previously breaking as a resistance on here, support here, and resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, and again it worked at the resistance. Therefore, in order to continue this rally to the upside, that was begun here after breaking out this big falling wedge pattern on this 7 days time frame chart. By the way, now we are switched to the 7 days time frame chart. We will need to break out this resistance on, and the final target for the breakout from the big and long-term falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge. That can be somewhere between $1,600 to $2,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.